For the first time ever, step inside a state-of-the-art modern pomegranate factory, a marvel of engineering. These carefully selected pomegranates embark on a journey, from sun-drenched orchards to advanced processing facilities. A seamless transition from field to factory, where nature's bounty meets precision engineering. Welcome to the heart of innovation, where every pomegranate's potential is unlocked.
Advanced optical sorters meticulously inspect each fruit, ensuring only the finest continue.
Each pomegranate undergoes rigorous washing and sanitization, preparing it for the next stage of its transformation.
Emerging pristine, these pomegranates are now perfectly prepared for their journey into premium juices and areals. The heart of the factory. Custom-built de-seeding machines meticulously extract every precious aril without damage. Witness the delicate dance as vibrant arils are perfectly separated, preserving their natural beauty and nutrients. Perfectly portioned and sealed, these 100% pure arils are ready to bring their vibrant goodness to your table. For our premium juices, the arils are gently pressed, extracting every drop of pure, antioxidant-rich liquid. Witness the pure essence of pomegranate, flowing rich and vibrant, ready to become the world's finest juice. Through advanced filtration, our juice achieves unparalleled clarity and purity, ready for its final bottling. Microfiltration refines the juice to perfection, creating a brilliantly clear, pure pomegranate experience.
Our 100% pure pomegranate juice is swiftly bottled, capped, and labeled, ready for consumers.
Every bottle embodies perfection, a testament to our commitment to quality and precise, automated craftsmanship.
The brix level is stable on this batch.
Good. Maintain the temperature at 95.
This potent concentrate, a culinary gem, enhances countless recipes with its intense, natural pomegranate flavor.
Automated precision ensures our rich concentrates are stored and moved efficiently, ready for diverse applications. For our freeze-dried gems, a specialized process preserves the aril's nutrients and flavor. These delicate, freeze-dried gems retain all their antioxidant power and burst of flavor. Carefully packaged, our freeze-dried pomegranate gems offer a delightful, healthy snack.
Experience the effervescence. Our sparkling pomegranate drinks are crafted with pure juice.
Each sparkling bottle bursts with natural flavor and invigorating fizz, a refreshing indulgence.
From orchard to shelf, our diverse range of premium pomegranate products is now ready for the world.
The culmination of precision and passion. Every product perfectly prepared, symbolizing excellence.
From our factory to your table, our premium pomegranate products embark on their global journey.
Viral crimson desserts, crafted with our premium concentrates, are taking over your feed.
Here, try one.
They're wonderful.
To your health.
Day and night, Our commitment to quality never wavers, bringing you the best.
It all begins with nature's perfection. The vibrant, antioxidant-rich pomegranate, ripened under the sun.
From its protective skin to its juicy arils, every part is a testament to natural wonder. Our journey begins with dedicated farmers, nurturing each pomegranate under the golden, life-giving sun.
Watch nature's artistry unfold as each fruit ripens, absorbing the sun's energy, destined for perfection.
This state-of-the-art facility stands as a testament to innovation, transforming nature's bounty with precision. Inside these walls, a symphony of machinery and human expertise orchestrates transformation. Witness the relentless, satisfying flow as millions of pomegranates journey through our state-of-the-art facility. A labyrinth of gleaming pipes orchestrates the seamless flow, guiding every drop of juice to perfection. Powerful pumps ensure constant, controlled movement, maintaining the integrity of our precious juice.
Centrifuges precisely separate, ensuring optimal clarity and purity for our premium products.
The efficiency on the new line is incredible.
And the quality scores are the best we've seen on the pomegranate run.
Our commitment extends to sustainability, efficiently recycling every part of the pomegranate, minimizing waste. From fruit to fuel, every part is utilized, embracing a truly sustainable, zero-waste philosophy. Our automated warehouse ensures perfect storage and swift retrieval, maintaining optimal conditions for all products. Every product is meticulously tracked and managed by intelligent systems, guaranteeing perfect inventory. Our global logistics network ensures our premium pomegranate products reach customers worldwide.
Across oceans and continents, our commitment to delivering the freshest, purest pomegranate products endures.
This is Company Name, where innovation meets nature, crafting the future of pomegranate products. Powered by renewable energy, our factory champions sustainability, ensuring a brighter, greener future for all. Every drop of water is carefully purified and recycled, reflecting our deep commitment to environmental stewardship.
This little tree is going to grow big and strong.
Just like our community. Can we water it now?
Proudly certified organic and sustainable, our practices reflect our unwavering commitment.
The viscosity is stable at low temperatures.
This flavor is incredibly refreshing, very crisp.
From concept to creation, our team designs captivating products that truly stand out.
Hey, look at this one. It's the new flavor. Oh, wow, let's grab 2 of these. My mom loves them.
I'm so glad we're all together tonight.
Me too. Cheers, everyone. This juice is wonderful.
To the best family dinner ever.
Pure, fresh, unadulterated. The essence of pomegranate, captured in every product we create.
A symphony of taste and texture, meticulously crafted for your ultimate sensory delight. Under the watchful night sky, our factory continues to innovate, ensuring the world's finest pomegranate products. The journey begins with this tiny marvel, a perfect pomegranate aril, packed with nature's goodness.
Buenos días, ¿listos para hoy?
Claro que sí, con mucha energía.
Advanced automated cleaning systems maintain an impeccably sterile environment, critical for food production. Under the microscope, we unlock the secrets of the pomegranate, ensuring maximum nutritional value.
Precision agriculture, utilizing advanced drones and sensors, optimizes every aspect of our harvest. Every exquisite product begins with the delicate beauty of a pomegranate blossom, a promise of future flavor.
Raw pomegranates are meticulously stored in optimal cold conditions, preserving their freshness for processing.
Digital precision tracks every pallet, ensuring seamless inventory management from field to product. Robotic precision ensures optimal storage and retrieval, maintaining the perfect cold chain for our pomegranates.
A flawlessly clean environment, where every surface gleams, ready for the next stage of production.
Optimizing the sorting process here increases throughput significantly.
That aligns perfectly with the new extraction method.
This is the innovation we needed.
By optimizing the filtration stage here, we can increase yield by 15%.
From the vast, sun-drenched orchards, our journey begins, rooted in nature's bounty and unwavering quality.
The heart of our products, a perfectly ripened pomegranate, fresh from the tree, bursting with vitality. A bountiful harvest arrives, ready for its incredible transformation, ensuring pure satisfaction.
Each pomegranate is meticulously cleaned, ensuring pristine purity before entering the next stage.
A final gentle polish ensures each pomegranate gleams with natural beauty, ready for its next transformation. Each pomegranate is uniquely branded with our mark of quality, a testament to its premium journey. Robotic precision ensures a sterile and efficient transfer, guiding aerials to their next transformative stage. With controlled precision, the pure essence of pomegranate flows, ready for its next stage of refinement. Advanced UV sterilization ensures absolute purity, safeguarding the natural goodness of our pomegranate juice. Every batch proudly displays 100% pure and quality approved, a testament to our unwavering standards. An endless stream of perfection. Freshly sealed bottles, each a testament to our unwavering commitment to quality. Perfectly sealed, our freeze-dried gems promise a burst of flavor and a satisfying crunch in every pouch.
Each pallet is securely wrapped, guaranteeing product integrity and freshness from our factory to your destination.
As the sun rises, our products embark on their journey, delivering pure satisfaction to your doorstep.
From every generation, across cultures, our pomegranate products bring joy and healthy goodness.
Join the viral sensation. Our crimson desserts and sparkling drinks are captivating feeds worldwide.
This is delicious. What is in this one?
That's our new pomegranate vinaigrette.
We definitely need a bottle of that.
Every single drop embodies purity and perfection, a testament to our unwavering commitment to quality. From vast orchards to innovative production, our factory stands as a beacon of quality and sustainability. With a single touch, a new cycle of innovation begins, promising premium quality and pure satisfaction.
Witness the engineering marvel within, where intricate mechanisms work in perfect harmony, ensuring flawless production. Pristine aftermath of sterilization, ensuring absolute hygiene for every stage of our production.